Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, I have in front of me the DJI Mic 2. Currently, if you haven't watched my other video, I have the DJI Mic 1 that I use. And so upgrading to the DJI Mic 2 is going to be such an awesome addition to add to my technology arsenal. And the reason why I got this one here was, for one, it has noise cancellation, and the thing can Bluetooth to my DJI Osmo Action 4. And so I am super excited to see what I can utilize and how I can use this to the fullest potential when I am recording videos for YouTube, outdoors, and for you guys. Before we open up the box, let's go over a few quick details that DJI has for us and to show for us that's inside already. We have an all-in-one, ready-to-use microphone receiver. It's high quality audio recording, 18-hour battery. I know that the last one that we did for the DJI Mic 1 was 15 hours, so it adds a little more hours. And it has intelligent noise cancellation, so crystal clear vocals. It has a 32-bit 14-hour internal recording, and then also a 32-bit float internal recording. It has a 250 meter, 820 foot range when it comes down to this DJI mic. Now it has the receiver, it has 2 transmitters, charging case, carrying bag, 2 clip magnets, phone mobile adapter, phone power phone adapter, USB Lightning C phone adapters, 2 windscreens, an audio cable for the camera, USB-C charging case, cable, and then 2 documents as well. Now, where do I open this up from? Is it from the top here or the bottom here? Let's open the top. Let's do this. Let's use my handy dandy Swiss Army knife. Open this up. Open this up. You guys, I am super excited because audio is actually pretty cool. And so if I can capture crystal clear audio from a new microphone that has loud noises all around me, if you have any, I would say, reverberation or echoes in your room, definitely this should help. So let's check it out, open it up, and see what we got in store. Ooh, oh, look at this. This is even fancier than my other one. Holy moly. So I got all the booklets in here. And then this case is what I'm actually impressed about, because the other one just came up with like hodgepodge, DJI Mic 1 there, booklets there, here's the bag there, but they don't put it all in one. Look at this. Man, look at, you have cases, you have different slots for everything, windscreen, silicone gel. You know, this is gonna be very handy. Just kidding. You want this in there so that way it doesn't form any water, it doesn't get into the case. Back here you have cables. Back here again you have the audio cable. Is it longer than the other one? I think it's the same one that I'm using right now. And then you have the transmitter and receiver. This is a much bulkier case too. Much bulkier than the last one. Now I'll show you and compare to the other one here. Look at that. Mic 1, Mic 2. Bigger, smaller, smaller, bigger. And it says here, press to unlock. Well, let's take this off first. Press to unlock. Yeah, it feels more heavy duty. Much more heavy duty. And it has a transparent screen on here, so you can actually see all the audio components that are inside. That's pretty cool. You have a transmitter. Looks like it's actually smaller than the other one too. Hot shoe mic that's on there as well. Second transmitter. And then this magnet is actually stronger than the other one, I think. So magnet. Yeah, it is much stronger than the other one. Holy moly. Okay. So now we know. Magnets are stronger. And you have the iPhone adapter for the receiver. You have the USB-C adapter for the receiver. And this one here is different. It has this little wheel. I think that's for the audio piece there. And you clip it and it locks in place. The other one here just goes up and down, no lock. Man, I am super excited to try this out. Wow. Much, much better build than the other one. And then the back side here, you have the charging port, USB-C in the back side there. But in this video is just the unbox and seeing what is inside this packaging. But until next time, I will check you out in the next video. Check me out in the next video, so that way you can see more videos of comparisons, more technology reviews, and how I'm going to use it in my daily life, along with what I will be using for YouTube. But until next time, I will see you all in the next video. Peace.